Poonam from Cyberscam Review. Do you guys want PlayStation 5? Haha, what am I asking? I know everyone wants PlayStation 5. Recently, I read a meme that PS5 looks like a new expensive campus performing arts center that replaced 3 academic arts departments and cost $60 million. It's a huge thing. But I know, still everyone wants PlayStation 5. So today I'll be talking about PlayStation 5 text scam, subtle yet harmful. Recently, a lot of people in the western part of the world are getting a text or email which promises them free PlayStation 5 if they enter into some sort of surveys or input their login credentials of their social media profiles. PlayStation 5 text scam is also known to spread malware which can compromise your entire system and cause losses which are unimaginable to say the least. The threat caused by this chain is so severe even Kaspersky have issued warnings against them. Going by the data we have gathered so far, in order to protect themselves, users have to enable the latest antivirus software along with setting up firewalls. As we are approaching the holiday season, there will always be a spike in the online shopping sector. However, this is also the time wherein scammers will be most active because they know that they can make a lot of money by tricking the end consumers. So to know everything about this PlayStation 5 scam text, stick with me till the end. So what is PlayStation 5 text scam? Basically, it is a type of price scam. The text or the script used by the crooks running this operation will usually claim to give you an opportunity to win free gaming system just by clicking the link and entering your details. Isn't it so good that you're getting PlayStation 5 in free? But this is a scam. We all like to get free stuff, right? Sadly, the reality doesn't work in that way, and whenever something is being offered to us, there is always a catch. The main intention of the scammer is to get a sensitive information by phishing attempt or keyloggers and then use it for all kind of sinister purposes. The PS5 is a commodity which is desirable mainly for the youth. So by using social media, they are targeting people who are most likely interested in it and are using the reputable marketing channels for their benefit. We are going to go over the exact motives later in the review. But before we proceed, know that you should never dare to mess around with this kind of fake giveaways. After all, if you do interact, you will be the only person at risk. Each and every virus, malware or a scam has some goals and motives. PS5 text scam main intention is to do a full-scale phishing attack on the customer base along with spreading numerous deadly malwares. Below we have listed all the main factors you need to give special attention to, and if you do face them, then don't forget to alert your local authorities and bank officials at the earliest. So first one is asking for login credentials. This is the primary objective of all that black hat hackers out there. They will present the customers with enticing and value for money offers while asking them to log into their platform. Once you have filled in your details, they will keep a record of it and can use it for any purpose. We are not saying that legitimate giveaways don't exist, but whenever a reputable platform does a giveaway, they surely won't ask for any of your sensitive information. Second is unauthorized transactions. If you ever notice small or large transaction being done through your card which you don't recall, then most probably your card information has been compromised. Usually all the credit card issues refunds on unauthorized payments, but there is a time limit late to make the claims, and once the window is gone, you will have to bear the expenses. So do regular audits, and if you suspect anything, then deactivate your card immediately and ask for a new one. More importantly, never share your PIN number and CVV numbers with anyone for any reason. Third is malware distribution. Even if you don't enter your details on the phishing and emails, chances are once you have clicked the link, there might be a risk of infection to your computer. Nowadays, most scams are sophisticated enough to install infamous malware such as keyloggers into your system. Once the malware has been successfully installed, then you might see a dramatic decrease in performance and the system resources might be used extensively even though you are not running any application. Ultimately, if you don't take the necessary step to combat them from the beginning, then the damage could make you lose all the data stored on your system and in the cloud services. What should you do to protect yourself from PlayStation 5 text scam? First and foremost, do not click on any link if you don't recognize the sender and delete the messages as soon as humanly possible. As the old saying goes, prevention is better than the cure. Just by avoiding interacting with a message, you can save yourself from a lot of trouble. Secondly, make sure that you perform regular backups of your data and buy the best antivirus softwares. Also, make it a practice to deal with web pages which have SSL layer, and before buying anything online, do an extensive research on the seller. Remember, the virus cannot be stopped, and with time the hackers also evolve. However, by taking the steps mentioned above, you will be better equipped to face the threats online. How to report PlayStation 5 tech scam? There are a lot of ways when it comes to reporting fraudulent activities. Depending upon your location, you should first report the incident along with all the details such as the URLs and email addresses to the local cyber crime division. If you encounter the spam links on social media, then report them to the admins and all the relevant personnel and they will take it down. Before, social media was pretty vulnerable when it came to tackling fake news and spam links. Thankful now that is not the case, and they do their best to combat any threats which will harm the users. Whenever a new sensational product or service hits the market, a lot of phishing scams are done using the reputable brand's identity. The advancement of the internet makes it virtually impossible to trace the location of the scammers and crooks, which means creating awareness is the best way to tackle the problem at hand. So always proceed with the caution while doing anything online, and if anything is extraordinary in its approach, then it is better to avoid it unless you have found solid evidence. Are you one of the avid gaming fans who have received PlayStation 5 text? Did you report them to appropriate authorities? Share your experience and comment on an official website. Thank you.